Did you know that cracking your knuckles won't give you arthritis? This long-standing belief has been debunked by scientific research. Uh, when you crack your knuckles, you're actually causing a tiny bubble of gas to form in the fluid surrounding your joints. This bubble pops and makes the cracking sound. Studies have shown that there's no significant difference in the prevalence of arthritis between people who crack their knuckles and those who don't. In fact, some research suggests that knuckle cracking may even have some benefits, like increased flexibility in the joints. So remember, you can crack your knuckles without worrying about arthritis, and then keep exploring the fascinating world of science and stay curious. So don't forget to like and subscribe for more science facts.